Welcome to today's presentation on the collision sentry, the collision warning system that's making some noise to create a safer working environment. In any industrial setting, there are corners or intersections where visibility is reduced or very restricted. These are called blind corners, and they're a prime spot for accidents, especially in situations where pedestrian and forklift traffic cross paths. The collision sentry works to prevent these accidents, using infrared motion sensors to see around the corner. When motion is detected on both sides of the blind corner, creating conditions for a possible collision, the collision sentry sends a synchronized audio and visual alert to warn of approaching traffic. With a detection zone of up to 25 feet in each direction of the corner, the warning is sent in ample time to take corrective action. The product ships with the audio warning set at the highest volume, but depending on your preference or the situation, can be adjusted or turned off completely. Instructions and diagrams on how to make these adjustments are included with each collision sentry. As for the visual warning, the positioning of the lights and diffusing lenses that concentrate the light's intensity make the brightness comparable to a car's taillight. Collision Sentry is self-powered, operating on the 6 D-cell batteries included. There's no need for costly wiring or additional electric. To activate the Collision Sentry, just pull out the plastic tab on the front and it's ready to go. The lights will blink as the device adjusts to the environment. Battery life depends on usage, but we estimate it will last for multiple years. When the batteries do get low, a low battery indicator with a unique flash pattern will signal. Changing the batteries is a simple process. Use a Phillips screwdriver to remove the top cap of the unit and slide up the front cover. Insert the new batteries in the same orientation as the originals. Replace the front cover and screw the top back on. That's it. Note, even at low battery, Collision Sentry continues to operate until the batteries are completely drained. The magnets on the back make it easy to snap the collision sentry onto a metallic corner or rack upright. Optimal height for installation on the upright is 7 to 9 feet. If you're working with a non-metallic surface, Z-clips are available and easily added to the unit for installation. Self-powered, preset, ready to use, easy to install, and always on guard, adding Collision Sentry as part of a comprehensive safety program helps protect people from injury, prevents damage to equipment, and damage to the facility. Thanks for joining us today. For additional product details, photos, or videos of the Collision Sentry, visit our website at www.sentrypro.com.